Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com and welcome to another marketing video. Yesterday, I showed you how to make money with email marketing affiliate program like those offered by Aweber and Constant Contact. And I got some good positive feedback from that, got a few questions. And in this video, I want to show you other ways you can do to increase your conversion. And the reason this came about was because some of you guys have actually clicked on the link below the video to Aweber and Constant Contact and noticed that the landing page that you landed on was unusual. And that's what I want to talk about. I want to talk about this particular landing page, and what I done was I set up a little setup here. I got my camera aimed at me. I have this other camera. It's aimed right at my computer screen, so I can show you what's happening. So this is the first time I'm doing this, so if I mess up, I'm sorry. Anyway, when some of you, when anyone who clicked the link to Aweber that I put below yesterday's video, and also I have the link in today's video as well as below this video, but when they click the link to Aweber, instead of landing on the Aweber's homepage, what they saw instead was this page right here. Yeah, so this page, and they noticed that, hey, how come my picture is here? I mean, it's Aweber, it is aweber.com, but it says aweber.com/John Chow, and it says, welcome to my preferred email service provider. So what this is what's known in the industry as a co-branded landing page. So Aweber made this page for me, so basically I can leverage my endorsement for them, and it increases conversion because I'm recommending the Aweber service. So when someone lands on the Aweber site and they see my picture on there, it reinforces the brand and it increases conversion. So that's an example right there. So that's the Aweber one. Normally the Aweber page looks like this. This is a standard Aweber page. And I also have another example of a co-branded page. Is my HostGator co-branded page. I'm also an affiliate for HostGator. They host my blog, so I recommend them. I use them myself, so I recommend them as well. So, but when I refer someone to HostGator, instead of landing on HostGator.com, they land on this page right here. So you can see this is my HostGator co-brand page. So you see HostGator's logo. There's my logo, and you can see welcome johnchow.com visitors. So this page was made just for me from HostGator. So these co-branded pages are a way for you to increase conversion, and they work really, really well. Right now, Constant Contact is making me a co-branded landing page for their service as well. So once that's done, I'll be able to link to the John Chow Constant Contact landing page. So how do you go about getting these type of pages? Well, the first thing you need to do is obviously you can understand these are actually made by Constant Contact, it's made by HostGator, it's made by Aweber. Right. So in order for them to make you a co-branded page, you're going to have to demonstrate that you can produce volume, that you can actually make money. Because let's just face it, they have a company like HostGator has thousands of employees, an entire engineering team, and these guys are busy maintaining servers and stuff. And in order for them to pull off somebody, a design engineer, to actually code this page for you, you need to show that you're not wasting their time. So that's the first thing. So if you want a page like this, you need to show that you can bring the heat, so to speak. All right. So, but if you can produce volume, you can call up your rep and say, hey, I want another way to leverage it to increase conversion. This is something that they can do for you, and it's something available to affiliates that can produce results. All right. So the other question I got from yesterday was, how do I sign up for the affiliate program for Aweber and Constant Contact? Because the link I sent them to was basically a landing page, so I want to go over that. So if you we go to Aweber's page here. This is aweber.com. All you gotta do is go to the bottom, and you'll see at the bottom right here it says become an affiliate right here. Become an affiliate. Click on it, and you can apply right there to become an affiliate. Yeah, my dog, don't worry about that. You can apply right here to become an affiliate. Just click apply and fill information. And then, they'll look at your site, they'll look at you, they'll look at your experience and decide if if they want you as an affiliate. Like I said, Aweber, it's it's easier to get into because, like I said yesterday, they really can't lose money. Like I said, they give you 30% of the commission. So, customer pays this much, you get that much. Constant Contact is another story, but to become an affiliate for Constant Contact, it's the same thing. At the bottom of the page is right here under Partner Program, Affiliates. Now, Constant Contact runs their affiliate program with third-party networks. They use Commission Junction, CG.com, and impact.com. So when you apply, become an affiliate, it will take you to CJ, and you can apply to be an affiliate there. And again, same thing, you fill in the information, they will look at your site, and they will decide if they will accept you or not. Like I said, it is harder to become an affiliate for Constant Contact because, again, their program is front loaded. Like, you make a sale, it's going to be a trial, but they're going to pay you $105, potential for fraud is much higher. So they want to make sure that you are legit and you are a legit marketer before they approve you. But that's how you apply for the program. And once you apply for the program, and if you were to do what I recommend in yesterday's video about how to promote these programs by creating an ebook or some kind of video course that teaches them and then recommends the Aweber or Constant Contact as a solution, you'll get much better increased conversion. And as you start doing sales, you can then contact your rep and say, can I get a co-branded page? And they'll gladly make you a co-branded page. So yeah, there you go. Hope to help you guys. If you find that useful, give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, comment, leave it down below. I love to hear from you guys. And if you're new here, hey, please consider subscribing to my channel. It does really help me a lot. All right. Yeah, my dog. That's the problem with doing things live. You never know what's going to happen. Anyway, my dog wants to go for a walk, so I'm gonna take Widget for a walk. And anyway, thank you very much, guys. I'll see you guys next time.